How to buy Bitcoins on Moonpay Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily buy Bitcoins on Moonpay Wallet app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's begin. First thing you want to do is open up your application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you get to your application, here you have two options, buy and sell. So if you want to buy, you can just tap on it and buy from here. But if you scroll down, you will see popular assets like Bitcoins, Ethereum, Solana, Litecoins, and many more right here. You can just tap on Bitcoin. Once you do that, you will have an option to buy Bitcoin. Tap on this. And as you can see, your asset has been changed to Bitcoin here. And right now I'm using US dollars, but if you want to swap this, you can enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to purchase. Also, what you can do is enter the amount of dollars um, that you want to use to buy Bitcoin. So let's say if you want to buy Bitcoin's worth of $500, you can just tap on it and you can tap on continue. Once you do that, you will have to enter your Bitcoin address. So make sure that your address is correct. You can either copy it from another website or you can just use this address right here. Tap on continue. Now it will take you to the inbuilt website on your Moonpay app and just wait for it to load. So once you get here, you will have to enter your payment method. Here you just have to enter your first name, last name, and your nationality. And once you do that, you can tap on continue. Now you just have to add your billing address. You can add it manually like this, and you should be able to purchase Bitcoin from there. So that's how you easily purchase Bitcoin on Moonpay app. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.